Welcome to Geopointers. In this video, we revisit one of Geopointe's existing feature sets and run through some of the enhancements which have been introduced in our Winter 20 release. Calendaring is a common way of organizing someone time in the field. As such, Geopointe introduced calendar-based scheduling to provide additional geographic context. In addition, we now offer the ability to copy a calendar day, improving the user experience and efficiencies. Let's see how this works. Using the magnifying glass, I can quickly see my appointments for the day. And it looks like I've got a couple of them here. I'm starting off in Chicago, one up north, and then I've got one over here, number 3, and I've got a bit of dead space in here. Let's take a look and see if there's any leads that I'm going to be driving by that I can hit. It looks like there's a lead just north of where I'm at. Let's go ahead and add that to my calendar. I can easily drop that into my schedule for the day and go ahead and click on the Save button. And we're able to get driving distance. Another great feature that's very popular is the ability for me to actually copy a day. And I can do that by just selecting my Copy Day button up here and then selecting which appointments it is that I'd want. So if this is a repeating schedule, I can go ahead and just click on the Next button and which day do we want to copy it to. In this case, we can go ahead and move these to another day and then click on the Copy Items, and it'll go ahead and move all those appointments to that particular date. Here you can see that I've actually copied all those appointments to another day. In this case, we're looking at Friday, November 20th. Let's take a look at my Teams calendar. This new feature adds the ability to visualize multiple field team members' calendars simultaneously to offer comparison and assist with decision making. And let's change the date to today. And take a look at my Los Angeles team. And here I can see each of the appointments that my agents have for the particular day. Now, we're looking at the Salesforce calendar here, and as you can see, this is today. I'm looking at Sally in green, Vance in orange, and Larry in purple. Each one of these have a different segment, whether that be SMB, enterprise, or mid. And I can see it looks like I'm looking at the schedule here, and Sally looks like she's finishing at 3 o'clock today. Let's take a look and see if there are any leads that we actually have that are in her area that she's going to be driving by again. So again, going to our control panel, let's take a look at those leads by rating. And it looks like there's a hot lead right here, right where she's finishing up her day. Again, we can add it to the calendar. And if we come over, go ahead and just drag and drop that, after her last appointment that we have here. Again, adding it to Sally's calendar, you can see here we just created that 7th stop for her. Just as easy as dragging and dropping it onto her calendar. I can also move these around if I see that there are some discrepancies or something needs to be changed or edited. I could easily manipulate the schedule and see where people are going. Let's go ahead and click on Save, and what this is doing now is actually writing that lead into Sally's calendar entries for today. When managing multiple resources with Resource Day View, you can see multiple users' daily travel plans on the map at one time. However, from the Resource Week view, you can only see one user's weekly travel plan at a time. Let's see what that looks like. Resource Week view, and let's take a look at Sally. So this is her schedule for the week. It looks like Monday's blue. As we scroll around, you see Tuesday is green. As we continue to scroll here through the days, it looks like Wednesday is orange, where Sally is spending her time. And it looks like Thursday is this purple, and the last one must be that Friday, it must be that pink. I hope today's video has been of interest and offers insight into how we continue to evolve the Geopointe platform to aid your business and improve data visualization. For further tips and tricks, please feel free to browse our Geopointe YouTube channel. We can also be contacted at info@geopointe.com or any of the popular social networks by using the keyword Geopointe. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.